not surprising. India is one of the largest alcohol markets in the world. What can I say? We love our booze. And one of our most favorite alcoholic beverage is beer. Today, I'm at Thirsty City 127, one of Mumbai's better-known microbreweries, to show you the brewing process and to take you through some of their many beer styles and tell you the difference between each. My name is Rij Eappen and you're watching The Gentleman's Code. Now, to give me a private tour is Kritika, head brewer at Thirsty City 127.
Hi.
Hi, Kritika.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure
Hi,
to meet
Rij.
you. All right, so how do we start this tour?
Let's start with our best-selling beer, which is Happy by Thirsty.
Okay.
It's a European-style lager beer.
All right, great. Thank you very much. Cheers. Oh, that's delicious. So now, should we head out on the tour?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
So these are the tanks
Right.
in which we keep our beer for further maturation. These are the fermenter. So beer is an alcoholic fermented beverage which
Okay.
is made from 4 major ingredients,
Okay.
which are malt, hops, yeast and water.
Okay.
So in the brewery, we begin with the process called as milling,
Okay.
where basically barley, the process malting is carried out on them,
Right.
and then the barleys are called as malts.
Okay.
So the malts we add into this,
Okay.
and then here you can see is a roller,
Yeah.
where basically malts gets crushed,
Crushed.
and then we collect all our milled malts from
Right.
here,
Okay.
and then we add it into the mash tun.
Okay.
So this is our mash tun. Its capacity is 300
Okay.
liter. So first we add all of our milled malts into the mash tun,
Right.
along with the hot water in it. Also we add hops during
Okay.
the boiling process, so it gives all the aromatics into the wort.
Right.
That's how the wort gets the bitterness and the flavors and the
Right.
aromas to the beer.
Right. And where do you get your hops from?
The hops and malts are imported.
Okay. All right, cool.
So after boiling is completed,
Yeah.
we transfer the wort into the fermenter.
Okay.
We have a heat plate exchange over here,
Okay.
where through one end the hot wort is passed, and from the other end here the water is passed, and
Right.
it cools while it passed. And then from here we connect the pipes to the fermenter. So the last step is fermentation of the wort.
Right.
So after the fermentation is completed, the wort is called as beer.
How long does it remain in here?
So basically fermentation takes almost a week for completion.
Wow.
Some fermentation completes within 3 or 4 days, but
Right.
on an average 7 days.
Wow. Okay.
These are the bright beer tanks, like
Okay.
BBT. After the beer is fermented, we transfer the beer into this. So here is where the maturation of the beer takes place.
Okay.
So if the beer contains any of the sediments, so all
It'll settle down.
settles down over here,
Right.
and we get a clear bright beer. During the process of fermentation, yeast converts sugar into alcohol,
Yeah.
and the byproduct given is carbon dioxide.
Right.
So CO2 is produced naturally into the beer,
yeah.
but sometimes we need extra carbonation
To add
give-
some more.
Yes. So
Right.
we have a CO2 cylinder with us,
Yeah.
from where we connect this at this
Right.
end, and then we charge it with the extra
Right. And the CO2 is what gives it the...
the fizziness to the beer.
Right. And then what happens to the finished product, the final beer that you get?
Once the beer is finished, we keg it off and then it's supplied. Should we taste the beer directly from the tank?
You can do that?
Yes, we can.
Oh, wow, nice. Wow, directly from the source, guys.
Freshly brewed.
Oh, wow, that's great. Thank you for this. This was so much fun.
We follow the similar process for making 8 different styles of beer.
Right.
So let me take you to the bar where we'll taste our remaining beers.
Okay, cool. Let's do it. That was fun.
Now that you have seen how the beer are brewed, let me show you all the different styles of beer that we have got.
Okay, cool. Let's do this. What's the first one?
So first one is Kickash Kolsch by Thirsty.
Okay.
Let's start with this. It's
Okay.
a Kolsch. It's very refreshing, elegantly fruity, and a smooth going beer.
Very nice.
So the next is Ninja Stout.
Okay.
It's very full-bodied, a chocolatey espresso type of beer.
Right. It tastes like an espresso.
Dark chocolate. Third beer is Sexy Pig.
Sexy Pig.
Yes.
Like the name of it.
Interesting name.
Yeah.
So it's a Belgian style wheat beer. It is made from large proportion of malted wheat in it. It is flavored with cumin and coriander in it,
Oh, nice.
which gives it a spicy edge to this beer.
Yeah.
Also, it gives the tropical fruity aroma to this beer if you taste it. So that comes from the sweet lime
Right.
and the orange peels that we use
Right.
during the
Okay. Okay.
process.
Yeah, I can feel the spices for sure. Very nice and very smooth as well. I like that.
So the fourth is Simona.
Simona.
If you compare this beer with wheat beer, this is very citrusy, while this is very tropical fruity aroma in
Right.
it.
Nice. Okay. Cool.
So the fifth is an IPA, which
Okay.
is an India Pale Ale.
Right.
So it has got a bigger mouth feel
Okay.
and it mellows down with a bitterness.
Okay.
It's a bitter beer.
Yeah, it is bitter. At least more bitter than the others. Yeah.
It has got the highest IBU in it.
Right.
It's very hoppy, it's very floral. If you smell it, it's very
Yeah.
floral. This is the first beer that we tasted. It's Happy by Thirsty
Oh,
and
yeah.
European style lager.
Oh, the
beer.
one we did before the tour.
Yes, before the tour beer.
I really like this one. Yeah.
This is an apple cider, Sweet Lips.
Sweet Lips.
Yes.
I love the names of your of all your different styles.
It's a cider which is made from the Himalayan apple. And
Okay.
it is very tart. Like if you'll see, it's not on the sweeter side. It's
Right.
balanced cider.
Yeah.
It's not sweet. It's not tart.
It's very nice.
So the last and the final beer is our seasonal special,
Okay.
which is a mango peach IPA.
Mango peach.
Yes, the philosophy of this place is making use of various seasonal fruits,
Right.
which is very fruity, it's very smooth,
Yeah.
it still is in the maturation phase,
Right.
but it's ready to serve.
Nice. It tastes like mango. All right, cool. Thank you so much for this. This has been a great experience, I have to say. I enjoyed the tour and I actually enjoyed all of these beers. They're actually completely different from each other and I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for the tour.
Thank
Appreciate
you
it.
as well.
I hope you've enjoyed learning about the process of brewing beer, and I hope you come back to Thirsty City 127 to try out their various styles of beers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to AskMen India for a lot more on luxury lifestyle. This is Rij Eappen signing out.